Invain ci bay le vek ule.
Okay. Vô in chu hey. Tu te kan chor le do ne. Kan pool kan open do na hey. A le lon. A le lon tu kan da. Lu do na ni he. A spider cannot.
Grab it.
So what do you think about helping Emmy?
Work.
It's a lot of hard work, right?
Hard work, yes.
Với nà hen hey, nà kan han thọc đun le ni he, kan pool te, han thei turin kan han siama ku, chuanin helai hian kan fish pon hi kan han siama, helai ya ka fish pon chunga, plant se lian to lu do wa chu wang chuan, kala chua kan ni mina Runtea nen kan han load don hi bete, go all the way round, go around, and you know we're gonna load up. All the greens that are sitting here. Just come back here, but right here, right there. See? Yeah. Gotta start loading up. Sanga omna minya just. Kasang hadi ka nga kalakwa. Ang law tam to ulit ko ay. Kan lot nem to ber.
I don't think it's gonna fit anymore.
Okay. Just
It's barely fitting.
okay. All right, we're gonna dump it where the wheelbarrow, where the other. Just hold it.
Over there?
Yeah, all the way up there, but we're gonna have to. Do we have room there, or should we go this way? Maybe bring it up here a bit there. Hey. Well, okay. Just park it there, and you have to grab it. You need to put it near the other ladder. We're gonna have to dump everything. Okay. I think that's all you can go on the top.
Ako ngay thak zoka. Ama hi eng ma tho a she ani lawa. Amero chu sa tho kha athiam em lawa ati dan she zer khanga ya.
Cái này hi kan om na hi city water kan nei ve lova. Cái mà ni in tui chin chua ni well water hi kan nei ta hi kan tui chun chua a khol pam enge ni da lu na nya pipe hi lo chede hlek to kan tui chun chua hi fit za thum Hnuaiah ni cái mà ni tui cái mà ni tui kan pama chu kan mangani I khopui tui kan mang ve lo cái mà ni hian tui kan nei ve thapani well water kan mang is out there long but I think we have one more load, right? Okay. Memorial weekend chuk ka chong tang kai le mai but I fell lutuk
Ni sa em sunscreen ay may puay luay buka. Ako ngay thak zok.
abul pui bal ang khana o ma hey
Runtea hi chu afel em chu thil ti tura ka ti hi eng ma hi min hial ngai lo re renga ka soyang khan voi khat ka ko to chuan aron tlan zel mai ani
se hu amun hi che pe ma chu wang chuanin lo thei lo bokan kan lo nem to nia how much more but there not a lot okay
I think that's not everything.
okay kasaha po atui okay there's a couple more but there right there here's a couple more. I mean I'm not talking about the bulk I'll wash your jeans okay right there there's one yeah right there yeah the roots kan ti po kan ti thiang him deuh hlek angai kan sing sana sa sia okay sit down there right there
Where?
Nia sắc hộp mấy Right there, Ifel Lutuk, thank you so much. That's a lot of help. Mania Runtea na kan. Oh, is it gonna fit? Okay, just go up in the middle. Mania kan squash. Mai phuna khan. Hemi hi mulch hi hardwood, a shredded mulch and tia hi abul te ya kan handa don ni chu chuanin tui kan le nu khanin alo nong ati nong thei ra chu okay but there you need to grab a handful and put it around what we plant a little bit more maybe but a little bit more yeah kabin the pon lo check tran to make it even okay with that ni salut tuka I don't know what the temperature is just careful with the plant okay tomato kan zam tir so dan clip kan dan hi show me the clip with the okay, do the next one also. Yeah, just careful. On top of the branch, just the main, the big branch, the leaves.
This one.
Yeah, don't do the leaves. The on top of the I guess it's a good job. Yeah. Okay.
Katomato te hi an zam na kan sia mangaya
I think we need to put one. You see how it's
single
it's
stem
crooked?
in kan kal tho te do na wangin
To make it, yeah, like
abuk
that.
lo
Yep.
chi in
Good
kan
job.
siam do na chu single stem angan yanga chuanin I aron zara kha kan na pui bula azara kha kan lo la thazel do na ni kan lo pai zel do na ni
Now we need just 2 knots, okay? And not one and another, so the same kind. You can tie another knot just like you did before. Katomato te anzam na kan han siam ni hi.
Is that good?
Aha to lutuk but te po you're so tired, right?
Yeah. foot.
Okay. Thawk ni sanya bete hi. Selanya. Oh, the earwigs.
Ole khati zong kha lo ni le ri mai se. Thank you so much. Kalom and God bless.